What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another freaking video. Alright guys, let's take a look at this update. Sorry I haven't posted in such a long time. Wife had a baby. Baby came out, you know, I had to take a week off of work and a week off of everything. And well, a little bit more than a week because I had to situate with the baby and everything and get the baby stuff straightened out. But anyway, we're going to direct your attention to this. These are the couple projects that are coming up soon. These are the beams for the gantry crane that we're going to be putting up very soon. I mean very soon, I'm probably next week. Right there. Now as you can see, this is my little construction zone over here, because this is framing out the building with some rebar sticks and some wire. Some line. We're using that in the lawnmower. It's got down the weeds, and 100-foot tape, some gloves, a 30-foot tape, and a machete, and last but not least, a chainsaw. Not just any chainsaw. So everything you see wears white. Let me take a step back. Everything you see is white. Boom. Everything that's white, so you got right there, that corner, that's another corner right there, and then those two right there for the 10-foot door, and that's another corner right there behind that machete, or my bag right there. Area that where the X is, all the trees are marked with white. You can see it right there, there, and those two's in the back. So yeah, this is the site we got going on. So we're gonna have the two 10-foot doors right here. It's gonna be one 10-foot door because it's gonna be a 20 by 20 building. And I got my design and stuff set up on the computer of how it's gonna look. So I already got it laid out. I designed it myself, but this is where it's gonna be. It's gonna be right here. So that way, when you look at the door comparison to the driveway, it's like right there. It goes. I'll say give or take maybe a foot or maybe 2 foot from the building. Probably about right here. About right there. We're gonna dig from here to about here. Then dig that all the way out around the building as far as we can go. The reason being that is we're gonna put PVC pipe in the ground. We're gonna put some strain, and we're gonna put gravel, and we're gonna have it drain off, run off somewhere else. All right. So I'll make note of this in my book pad. Yeah, this is a pad that I try to do stuff with. So we're gonna do a rough drawing. We're gonna make a base plate, and the tube is gonna sit more towards the back, but in the middle. So with the center line and center line. So the plate is about 8 inches wide, and about 10 inches, or my bag, 8 inches long, 10 inches wide. The measurement from the center to the bottom is gonna be an inch off the center. One inch off the center. And then it'll be, you know, maybe 1.5, because it's 3 inches per tube. That's 3.5 off the center. So off the center, it's 3.5. That's an inch and a half. So this is one of the styles we're gonna have the base plate. So we're gonna plug these holes, and we're probably gonna first see for the tube, because the tube's gonna be welded on. Probably gonna put a couple of braces, probably a brace right here, mostly right here. Not really one on the side. I gotta figure out the footing or whatever. And this plate is like a 1/2 inch thick. I mean, it's really overkill, but I got it for free from work. Yeah, guys, that's a few things that for laying out base plates that I think is important. So y'all just stay tuned. I mean, this is going to be a new experience for me. I never erected a building before, but this is going to be my first building with me and my helper. We're going to knock this out. We're going to price point it, make the cheapest building for everybody that can afford something like this. Because, I mean, I go over the pricing of everything as far as the metal and stuff like that, and then the time and everything. We're making a more affordable building that I can copy, write the prints and stuff, to take it and turn it into my own. So, y'all, thank you guys for watching. More with this video. It's probably gonna be in parts, so y'all stay tuned. Thank you. Welding Machine out.